To create pie chart, we have the employee ID, we have the employee name column, and last we have the actual sales column. To create a pie chart, we select the employee name column and employee actual sales column. After selecting both the columns, go here in the insert tab option, and here you can find the pie chart option in the third one, and we have the different formats, so I select the 3D pie chart. And in the 3D pie chart, first you can minimize it or make it presentable, and again I minimize it further and place it in a proper way. Now we can change the title of the pie chart as per own need. Like I change the pie chart as performance chart, and after that you can see the different formats of the pie chart as above mentioned. As you can place the pointer and you can see the reflection of the different pie charts, you can select from it. We have the further options in the bottom as well. You can select from it, like if I select this pie chart, so you can see it gives us the data as per the selected pie chart. You can see the reflection as well of other pie charts. You can also further make the changes, but if I test the pie chart formula by changing the value, so you can see the reflection as well in the pie chart. And we can further add the options, like in the plus sign we can see the further 3 options, and in the options you can see the difference of each option, and the same reflection you can find in the pie chart as well. And if I go here in the data label, so you can see the changes in the data label as well. Each function has different result, and each result will show in the pie chart option. If I select this option, and you can see the chart option as well, and in the data label you can see the different functions. And if I select this one, and if I make the changes in the data, so you can see the same changes in the pie chart as well. If I change to 10,000, so you can see the changes in the pie chart as well. Pie chart is one of the most important functions if we are working in the organization. This is how you can make the pie chart by using this simple data.